Pleasant day to everyone. Since we are done with the basic competencies of the 3D animation and C3 superseded, let's now proceed to the common competencies. Let me first introduce myself. My name is Nadine Abigail V. Belhica and my two group mates are Marvin R. Maniscan and Tara Averin P. Tino. For the discussion purposes, I will only discuss one learning outcome per unit of competency. The common competency has two units of competencies. These are apply quality standards and operate a personal computer. So now let's start. So as you can see, we have the competency-based curriculum on the left side while the training regulation is located on the right side. Now let's start with the unit of competency, apply quality standards. So galing po siya sa training regulation, specifically sa section 2 or the competency standard. So it is came from the unit title of the TR. While the module title is ginawa siyang action word since it is a module title kaya naging applying quality standards. Next, we have the module descriptor. Again, galing po siya sa TR section 2. We have the unit descriptor. For the nominal duration, we have 8 hours. Since ito pong common competency is meron siyang 16 hours in total. So, we have 2 unit of competency. Pinag-divide, that's why naging siyang 8 hours. Now, we have the summary of learning outcomes. We have LO number 1, assess quality of received materials. LO number 2, assess own work. And LO number 3 is engage in quality improvement. So, those learning outcomes is galing po siya sa elements. Learning outcome number 1, assess quality of received materials. The assessment criteria is galing siya sa performance criteria. Again, it is from the section 2, competency standard of training regulations. First, assessment criteria is work instruction is obtained and work is carried out in accordance with the standard operating procedures. While dito naman, sa training regulation is work instruction is obtained and work is carried out in accordance with the standard operating procedures. So, pinagkapi lang po siya. Now, we have the contents. So, galing siya sa evidence guide, specifically sa underpinning knowledge and underpinning skills. So, dito ang kinuha is reading skills required to interpret work instruction. Communication skills is needed to interpret and apply, define work procedures, and carried out work in accordance with the OHS policies and procedures. So, galing din po siya sa section 2 ng training regulation, the competency standard. For the conditions, under din po siya ng section 2 or the competency standard specifically sa range of variables. So, ang nakalagay dito is organization work procedures, manufacturer's instruction manual, and customers requirements forms. For the methodologies, we have the on-the-job training. So, kinuha po siya ulit sa training regulation, yet it is came from the section 3 or the training standard. So, yung basic, common, and core competency is meron silang kanya-kanyang methodologies. So, since this is common competency, then kinuha po namin siya sa methodology ng common competency. The assessment approach is the same lang siya sa methodologies since kinuha lang din po siya sa section 3 or the training standard of the TR. So first, we have a demonstration and questioning. Lastly, we have the observation and questioning. Now we have the overview of the learning outcome number 2, the assess own work, and the learning outcome number 3, engage in quality improvement. Next unit of competency is operate a personal computer. So, galing siya sa unit title ng TR, specifically sa section 2 or the competency standard. The module title is operating a personal computer. So, ginawa siyang action word since it is a title. For the module descriptor, it is came from the unit descriptor of the TR section 2. For the nominal duration naman, again, this unit of competency has 16 hours, so pinag-divide siya into 2 since we have a 2 unit of competency. So each unit of competency is nagkaroon ng 8 hours. This unit of competency has 6 learning outcomes. First is the start the computer. Second is arrange and customize desktop display or GUI settings. Third is work with files and folders. Fourth is work with user application programs. Fifth is print information. And lastly is shut down the computer. These are came from the elements. First, the learning outcome is start the computer. So, galing siya sa element. While the assessment criteria is galing siya sa performance criteria of the section 2 or the competency standard of the TR. For the contents, we have utilize software, navigate the desktop, see system features to perform a task, and save results of work. So it is came from the section 2 of the training regulation, specifically sa evidence guide, underpinning knowledge, and underpinning skills. The conditions. First, we have the documents. Second is records. Third, the pictures. Fourth, the music. And lastly is the videos. So these are came from the section 2 of the training regulation, specifically sa range of variables. The methodologies, it is came from the training regulation section 3 or the training standard. So the basic, common, and core has their own different methodologies. So ang kinuha namin is the methodologies, of course, under the common competencies. Okay, for the methodology, we have a film showing, computer-based training or the e-learning, project methods, and lastly is the on-the-job training. For the assessment methods, the same as the methodologies, it is came from the section 3 of the TR. So first we have demonstration and questioning, observation and questioning, third party report, assessment of output product, portfolio, and the computer-based assessment. Okay, now these are the overview of the learning outcome number 2, arrange and customize a desktop display or the GUI settings. Learning outcome number 3, work with files and folders or directories. Learning outcome number 4 is work with user application programs. Learning outcome number 5 is print information. That would be all for the 3D animation NC3 superseded common competencies. So the core competencies will be discussed by Mr. Maniscan and Ms. Tino. Thank you so much for listening.